Your clients do not need options. They need direction. Oh, that was powerful. So how do we take those products and transform them into collections that we can sell to our clients and at the end of the day, make some money? Hey guys, it's Krysta. Welcome back to my channel. I own Beautifully Empowered Boudoir, a six-figure boudoir studio here in St. Louis. And I'm so excited because I just got my 70th 5-star review. So I do know what I'm talking about. And even though I'm very excited about that, that is not what this video is going to be about. This video is going to be all about how to create collections to sell to your clients. So as a photographer, how can we create price lists and collections that sell so we don't have to be salesy? So let's talk about pricing psychology. What is pricing psychology? The gist of pricing psychology is that there is a number. It is a high number, and that is what is used to anchor your client's mind when they see the rest of your pricing list. And this is why we always list our prices from most expensive to least expensive. Because if your most expensive collection is $10,000, your clients are going to be like, holy crap, that is a lot of money. And they keep looking down your collection and they see that the thing that they want is only $3,000, right? So comparatively, that $10,000 seems so much more than that $3,000, that the $3,000 now just doesn't seem like a big number. Whereas we have that same pricing collection, right? And your minimum package is $200. And then what they want is still the $3,000. We see comparatively, $3,000 is a lot compared to $200, right? So in the idea of pricing, we want to set an anchor price that is high. So comparatively, our goal collection, the one that we know what we want to price, that goal collection based on the free pricing calculator that you downloaded, yeah, that's linked down below. Your goal collection will seem like a very reasonable amount. Now, obviously, I mean, if you want to price things at $10,000, go for it. That's a little beyond, that's beyond me. But that was just an example for you guys to kind of grasp the concept. But we can do the same thing here, right? And we don't have to like make an outrageously priced thing, but what we can do is show our collections in a way that are gonna make our goal collection feel the most valuable at the best price. So what I wanna do is actually go through with you guys how to build a collection that will sell for you. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to have 3 collections. Only 3 collections, not more, not less. You might be saying, Krysta, I want to give my clients options. Your clients do not need options. They need direction. Oh, that was powerful. And that just came to the top of my head. Your clients do not need options. They need direction. And you need to direct them to the collection that you want to sell. That is your goal price. So how do we direct our clients to the most optimal collection? And we're gonna do this in a very simple way. The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna list our collections from most expensive to least expensive. And we're gonna give them 3 options. Now, the most expensive collection is going to have a lot of stuff in it. It is going to have a lot of stuff. It's going to have too much stuff at a good discount, right? We're still going to give people a discount for purchasing collections over individual items. But it is going to be a lot of stuff. It is going to be too much stuff. And what your client is going to see is like, wow, that's a high price. And there's also a lot of things in there. I do not need all of those things. Now, this doesn't mean that your client might not purchase this. I've had plenty of clients purchase my top collections because they're like, shit, like I want everything. And that is perfectly fine. But your average client is going to look at that and be like, that's a lot of stuff. I do not need all of that. Our second collection, our middle collection, is going to be our goal collection. So this is going to give the client exactly what they want at a really good price point at a discount versus buying individual items. And this is also a collection that we are going to include our digital images in, right? Because it's the age of social media. What do people want? They want digital images. We're also going to include them in the top collection, but this is going to be the collection that you are going to push your clients to. Think of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This collection is going to be just right. Our bottom collection, right, is going to have not a lot of stuff at not a great discount, right? And it's definitely not going to include digital images, right? So between the price and the just right feeling, people are going to see the top collection has a lot of stuff at a high price. The middle collection has the perfect amount of things at a really great price, especially compared to our top collection. And it also includes our digital images. The bottom collection doesn't really have that many things at not a great discount from our individual items. And it's not going to include any digitals because digitals are the most valuable item that you own, that you create as a photographer. Why? Digitals can be posted anywhere, but they can also be printed as many times as somebody wants. And you might be saying, Krysta, I just won't give them the rights to print. People are printing. People are printing. If you send somebody a digital image and they want to print it, people are printing it. They will go and do it. It doesn't matter what your contract says, but that's it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. People are going off and printing the images that you tell them not to print. It does not matter. So just include the printing rights when you sell your digitals. It's not worth it. It's not worth the headache. And also, you don't know what they're doing once they have those digitals and are at home. You have no idea, right? So even if you sell your digitals separately, or even if you're like, Krysta, I don't want to sell physical products, doesn't matter. You can use this same pricing strategy on whatever you decide to sell. So if you're somebody, when I talked about the tangible items, you're like, wall art would be the thing that I think the number one tangible product I can sell, then you have wall art and digitals as part of your goal collection. Or if is albums the big thing that you're going to sell, then you can have albums and digitals as your goal collection. And link down below if you would like, I have an in detail guide as well as examples to do this. It is $7. It is linked down below. It talks about everything I went over in this video, as well as concrete examples of how you can create price lists, where to purchase those products from, and 3 example price lists that you can use. So that is going to be linked down below. It is literally $7, and it is so valuable if you are looking to create price lists that sell for you. So I really hope that from this video, you understand that pricing and creating collections can be extremely strategic into building a profitable business. Now, you always want to make money on whatever you are selling. I created, like I said, the pricing calculator because before you can sell anything, you need to know how much money you need to make. You need to know how many clients you need to book a month, and you need to understand what your average sale needs to be in order for you to be a full-time photographer or a part-time photographer, whatever you want to do with photography. You need a goal and you need a plan to make that money. God, I got a little passionate in this video, y'all. Subscribe to my channel if you are a photographer or a creative who is looking to build a six-figure business. 2025, there's a lot going on in the world, but it is going to be the year to make money. So now is the time to get serious, to lock in, as the kids say, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.